Here's the first steam up of the Marklin 4112/14. There's its first little whistle going on steam. Alright, Clinton will like that. There we go. There's lots of work on the burner there today. She's a ripper. What a thing. Alright. What now? I'm all trembles here. There's a bit of a leak there on the gauge glass. Nonetheless, let's see if we've got enough pressure to do anything. Maybe, maybe not. Well, how's that? Let's shut the door here and keep everything under control. Alright. Whoa, ho, ho. What a thing. Here's one for Clinton. I'm pretty chuffed with that. There you go. And here we go. Seems like she's a self-starter. Not like me in the mornings. Still haven't made up my mind what to do with that base. Got a full gauge glass there now, anyhow. Water definitely. Well, she's right at the top. Still not much pressure. Oh yeah, half a bar. Almost. These old things seem to have nice whistles. The newer whistles just didn't seem to do it somehow. Alright, let's turn this around this way. No, this way. There you go. You go all right. I don't know what that's going to do to my playback, but anyhow. Oh, I like this one. Wow. There you go. All right. My longest ever video. 5 minutes. Well, there you go. I'll cut this off now and have a little play with it myself without you. Sorry about that. But there you go. Alright, bye now. Thanks for watching.